Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve A/B testing with Optimizely, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve A/B testing with Optimizely, start by defining your goals. Identify what you want to achieve, whether it's increasing conversions or improving user engagement. Next, select the page or element you want to test. This could be a landing page, call to action button, or any other key area of your website. Create a hypothesis based on your goals. Consider what changes you believe will enhance user interaction. Once you have your hypothesis, set up your experiment in Optimizely. Log into your Optimizely account and navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create New Experiment button to begin. Choose A/B test as your experiment type to compare different variations. Next, select the web page you will be testing. Use the visual editor to make changes to your original page. You can alter text, colors, images, or layouts to create your variations. Once you are satisfied with the changes, save your variations. It's essential to add tracking for key metrics relevant to your goals. This will help in analyzing the performance of each version during the test. After setting up the experiment and metrics, define your audience. You can target specific user segments based on behavior, location, or device. This ensures your test reaches the right users for more accurate results. Set the duration for your A/B test. Decide how long you need to gather sufficient data for validation. Once everything is configured, launch your experiment. Monitor the test closely but avoid making changes while it's running. After the set duration, analyze the results within Optimizely. Look at key metrics such as conversion rates and user engagement. Determine if there's a statistically significant difference between the variations. Finally, decide which version performs better based on your analysis. Implement the winning variation to improve your website's performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.